A vibrant park bustles with life, the air alive with laughter as families revel in the sun's warmth. Amidst the joyful chaos, vendors call out, offering sweet treats and colorful balloons. Mirha, around 10, guides her younger brother Hussein, about 6, through the lively crowd. Their hands clasped firmly together, a silent vow of protection binds them as they navigate the park. Hussein, trusting and content, keeps pace with Mirha, his small hand secure in hers. Together they move as one, their bond a beacon of love and security in the bustling park. Amidst the vibrant chaos of the park, Mirha and Hussein stroll, hand in hand, their fingers intertwined. A momentary distraction causes Mirha's grip to loosen, their connection severed in the bustling crowd. Mirha turns her eyes widening in disbelief as she realizes Hussein is no longer by her side. Panic surges within Mirha as she frantically searches the surroundings, her heart pounding in her chest. Her voice cracks with each desperate call as she cries out, "Hussein! Kahan ho Hussein!" The park's joyful sounds fade into a muffled echo as Mirha's fear amplifies, each second stretching into an eternity. In the tranquil park, Mirha's eyes lock onto Hussein, a solitary figure consumed by sorrow near the swings. She rushes towards Hussein, embracing him tightly, her touch a beacon of solace in his despair. With gentle hands, Mirha wipes away Hussein's tears, offering silent comfort. Mirha's voice breaks the silence, a promise echoing with unwavering loyalty. Mira hath kabi na chodna, Hussein.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.